Just take a deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth slowly and easily. And as you're breathing, place your right palm on your abdomen and see if you can relax your abdomen, experiencing the warmth of your palm. Now, as you breathe in, notice and feel the palm moving upwards and outwards. And as you breathe out, notice and feel the palm moving inwards. Keep breathing like this. Deep, slow breath in, filling your lungs, your abdomen rising, palm moving outwards, and a slow, steady exhalation out through your mouth. Air leaving your body, your palm, your abdomen moving inwards, relaxing. Keep doing this for another 15 or 20 seconds. And now you'll hear a chiming sound. Bring your attention to the sound, listening to it completely, timing your breath so that you're breathing in and out to the sound of successive chimes. Allowing your breathing now to return to its natural rhythms. Not trying to breathe, not initiating the breath, not holding on. Just observe and experience the rising and falling of the abdomen. Allowing the abdomen to relax even more. Moving your attention to any sounds around you. Notice any light shining through your eyelids, and slowly and gently open your eyes.